Hello, second graders. We are going to move on to another new skill today, although this one is kind of like skills that we've worked on in the past few days. But I want us to start today by taking a look at these words. And while I read them, I want you to look at them and try to figure out what do they all have in common. First word is better, better. The next one is happy. Remember the Y at the end of the word says E. Happy, happy. Summer, summer. Dinner, dinner. Gallon, gallon. Bottom, bottom. Kitten, kitten. Sudden, sudden. So these are words that are way back at the beginning of the year when we first learned how to divide words into syllables, and we were looking at vowels. We went for a vowel hunt and we said, here's the first vowel and here's the second vowel, and then we labeled and we said V, C, C, V. And then we knew we always split between the two C's. So then we could tap them out. Better, better, better. So what do you notice about all of these words? Did you notice that they all have consonants in the middle of the word that are the same? Those are called twin consonants. They're twins. They are just exactly alike. So two T's, two P's, two M's, two N's. There's something more, though, that these words all have in common. Listen again, and this time I want you to listen to this first vowel sound in each word. Better, happy, summer, dinner, gallon, bottom, kitten, sudden. Did you notice it? Did you notice what all those vowels have in common? Let me just say the vowel sounds. A, I, a, I. They're all short vowels. Okay, so today we're not reading the words so much as we are spelling the words. We're going to learn to spell words that have twin consonants. Remember, twin consonants are where you have two of the same consonant in the middle of the word. Okay, so here's the rule. When you hear a two-syllable word with a short vowel in the first syllable, the middle consonant is often doubled, like these words. Better. It has a eh. That short vowel is in the first syllable, so we have to double the T. Happy. This A is short, so if I was writing the word happy and I was sounding it out, I would go A-P-E, happy. And I would know it's A, H-A, and then P. Well, that's a short A, so I know it has to be two P's. P-P, and then Y at the end, because that's the E sound at the end of the word. Okay? So maybe you're asking yourself, why? Why do we have to follow this rule? Well, look at the difference if we do or we don't. This word, do you know what this word is? The first word? Mopping, mopping. Like she was mopping the floor. Do you know what this word is? Well, the base word is mope. Do you know what mope means? Like if you don't get what you want and you aren't happy, and maybe you kind of want people to know you're not happy, you might mope around. Now, if I was going to add the doing suffix, like she is just moping around the playground, moping, you would drop the E and add ing. And that's this word. So see the difference? Mopping or moping. And that's why we have to double that P, because to keep that vowel short, remember it needs two vowels to stand on, to lean on. That's like why we follow the floss rule after words like tell and buzz. That's why we put CK at the end of words like sick and stick. And that's why we have twin consonants after short vowels. Okay, let's look at another example. This word is hopping. This word is hoping, right? Some of you might, before this year, some of you might have thought you spelled hope like hoping like this. But you know now that you have to drop the E when you add a vowel suffix. So that's hoping. Oh, I was hoping you would be here. So if I want to make sure my reader knows I'm talking about hopping and not hoping, then I have to double the P. Hopping. It's a short vowel, octopus, and so I have to double the P. Okay, do you know what this word is? There are two T's, so this is a short vowel. Bitter or biter. It's a big difference between those two words, isn't it? You wouldn't want to misspell that. Bitter or biter. Cutter or cuter. Starred or stared. Like I starred the problems that were right, or she stared at me. Okay, so remember, if it's the rule is when you hear a two-syllable word with a short vowel in the first syllable, the middle consonant is often doubled. So now let's try to spell words with short vowel sounds. These words will all have twin consonants in the middle. So today I'm going to do two-syllable words, and they are all going to have short vowels in the first syllable. So that means we're going to double the consonant before we add the ending. Okay, so grab a piece of paper and a pencil and do your best. Spell them how you think they are and see if you get them right. The first word I want us to spell is rabbit. There was a rabbit out in the front yard. Rabbit. So first syllable, rab. And second syllable, b-it. Rab-bit, rabbit. Rab, it's apple, so I have to double the B and then add it, I-T. Okay, how about the word yellow? Yellow. Yell, two L's. And then how do you spell long O at the end of words? O-W. How about ladder? Go grab a ladder so we can reach higher. Ladder. 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 Lad. Two D's because it's an A, it's a short vowel. And then ER. Ladder. Okay, how about penny? She found a penny on the sidewalk. Penny. So p-e-n-y. Penny. P-e-n. And I have to double the N because it's a short E. And then what spelling pattern makes a long E sound at the end of words? Like baby and lady and penny. A Y, that's right. Okay, how about follow? Sometimes it's fun to play follow the leader, follow. F-a-l-o. F-a-l. Two L's. And then what was that spelling pattern at the end of a word for long O? Like yellow, snow, follow, O-W. How about silly? Will told me this morning that if he watches Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, it helps him learn to be silly. He thought that might convince me to let him watch that show. Silly. So S-I-L-E. S-I-L, two L's because it's a I short vowel. And then remember what came at the end of penny? Silly. A Y. Silly. Okay? Few more. Three more. Dinner. What are you going to have for dinner tonight? Dinner. D-I-N. Ner. N-er. Dinner. D-I-N. Two N's because it's a short I. And then E-R. How about kitten? The kitten was so cute and cuddly. Kitten. K-it-in. Kitten. K-it. Two T's. And then E-N. Kitten. And the last word, summer. S-a-m-er. S-a-m. 2 M's because it's a short vowel, and then All right, so we are going to practice this, and we're going to practice more on that GE ending and DGE ending that we worked on yesterday in our dictation packets today, so that we can practice this as much as possible before the end of the year here. Great job today.